Hey guys, welcome back to Home Decor 101, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe and keep watch for more videos heading your way. Now, black and white, two colors that couldn't be more different, yet when you put them together, they create one of the most timeless looks in home decor. Black and white, it's classic, it's bold, and it's always in style. Now, there's something about black and white decor that just feels balanced. The contrast is striking. Black brings drama, depth, and sophistication, while white adds light, freshness, and simplicity. Together, they create a harmony that feels both modern and classic at the same time. What makes black and white so appealing is its versatility. A black and white room can be sleek and contemporary with glossy finishes and clean lines, or it can be soft and traditional with cozy textures and subtle patterns. Add in marble countertops, striped rugs, or bold wall art, and suddenly the space feels elevated without needing bright colors. Psychologically, black and white makes us feel grounded and focused. White keeps a room calm and uncluttered, while black adds an anchor, giving the eye a place to rest for a moment. It's a style that works for people who love order, elegance, and timeless design. Another reason people are drawn to it, it never goes out of fashion. Now, trends can come and go, but black and white is always relevant. It's the little black dress of interior design. And the best part, it pairs beautifully with pops of color. Really, any pop of color will bode well with a black and white room, which gives you the opportunity to go ahead and switch up your home decor style as much as you like. Some days you can have black and white with a pop of red. Other days, black and white with a pop of purple or blue. Add gold for luxury, greenery for freshness, or soft blush tones for warmth, and the look instantly evolves without losing its core sophistication. So if you've been searching for a design style that's both effortless but yet impactful, black and white decor might be exactly what your home needs. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for hand-picked black and white home finds that can help you bring this timeless look into your own space. I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember, no matter if you choose to go black and white or go all out with red, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a feeling of gratitude. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Some kind of